Hello everyone, I am Prathamesh Katode,
Hello, I'm Pratik Savre.
Hello, I am Samarth Agrawal.
Hello, I am Sarang Mahajan.
and today we are going to present our project, that is Spotify playlist generator. So let us directly jump into the demonstration of the project. So first of all, we just go to my GitHub profile and copy the link to the project from here. Now we just open a terminal, and in that terminal we'll run this command git clone. What this command does is that it takes the whole project from GitHub and then clones it locally onto my Windows machine. Once that's done, let's just go into the project and open the project in Visual Studio Code, because it's far easier to work in Visual Studio Code. So now we'll just launch a terminal. Let's make it full screen. Okay. And in this terminal, we'll just make a virtual environment by using the command shown on the screen. Once the virtual environment is made, let's enter into the virtual environment. Now once that virtual environment is activated, we'll just run this command pip install -r requirements.txt. So what this command does is that it just downloads all the requirements and then installs it into the virtual environment. Once that's done, we'll just copy the config.py.sample file, and in that file, as you can see, we have client ID, client secret, and username. So we will go to the Spotify developers dashboard. We'll log in with our Spotify account. We'll go into the create app section. Now we can name our app. Let's name it mini project. Once that is done, let us edit our API settings. And in the API settings, we will first add the callback URL given in the config.py file. This will later help us to run the app locally. Once that is done, let's save it. And now let us copy the client ID and paste it in the config file. Once that is done, let's now copy the client secret, which is like a password, and we'll paste the client secret in here as well. Now we'll just open our Spotify profile, and in the Spotify profile section we can see the URL, and the end of the URL represents our Spotify user ID. So let's copy the Spotify user ID and paste it in the config file. Once that is done, save the config file, close the config file, and now let us run our program. As you can see, first we have to authenticate the program with our Spotify account. We just click on the link, we agree to the terms and conditions, and then we are directed to a dead URL because this is a development software. We just copy the URL and paste it in our program, and now we have been authenticated successfully.
Hello, I'm Pratik Savre. From here, I will carry forward our demonstration. So it's authenticated successfully using our API. So app will now ask us about how many tracks we want to enter. Let's say 2 tracks we want to enter. So it will ask us enter a track. Let's say Arijit Singh. We will give a song named Channa Mereya, and as we hit enter, we will get 2 URLs, and when we visit it, we can verify that is it the correct song or not. Then we will say yes, it is the song. Then we will enter the second track and we'll verify it. Yes, we can see that's it, that's the correct song, so we'll say yes. Now our app will ask us how many artists do you want to enter. So we will type artist name, as let's assume that is the correct input URL, so we say yes. Then we enter Shawn Mendes, let's say yes. Now our app will ask us how many recommendations do we want to generate. Let's say 15. So now let's enter a playlist name. Let's say mini project SEM5 demo. As we hit enter, playlist generated successfully. It will also provide us with a generated URL for our playlist. Let's visit it. So here, as you can see, a mini project SEM5 demo playlist has generated with songs 15 as we wanted. Here you can see that okay, there are 15 songs as we needed. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Sarang Mahajan. Today I am going to present our mini project. The name of our mini project is Spotify Playlist Generator. Here is the name of my teammates. Prathamesh Ghatove, Pratik Savre, Samarth Agrawal and me Sarang Mahajan. And here is the contents of our mini project. First slides contain team introduction, second contain problem statement, third contain solution, fourth contain methodology, fifth slide contain technology use, and sixth slide contain where to find our mini project.
Hello, my name is Samarth Agrawal and I am going to tell the solution for our mini project. So creating music recommendation models can be done with the help of collaborative filtering oriented machine learning models. However, that requires a large amount of data including streaming logs, metadata, artist, album song relationship and etc. To tackle this issue, we can leverage the excellent Spotify developer API to generate music recommendation systems without any handling ridiculous amount of data. The Spotify API allows developers to not just fetch recommendations but also generate playlists, provide audio playback and share music metadata. So first we start and then take input from the user, which is basically the track, artist and genre and its limit, and then we put the structure into a JSON string and then send data to Spotify API. After that we preview the track preview and selection, and after that we take the approval from the user that the track is right or not, and if the track is right then the list of selected tracks appears and it is basically fetched by the Spotify API. Now what are the inputs which we basically take from the user? So first we have the seed artist, which is basically the artist we want to generate the playlist of. Second we have the seed tracks, third is seed genre, fourth is energy level, and fifth is number of tracks to generate. And after that we are going to preview the track and export it. So we use the seed info provided by the user to look up the track closest to the specified track using the Spotify search API. This returns valid track URLs for the provided search string, which will be used in the next step. Now we use the track artist URIs returned by the API to fetch recommendations using the get recommendations API endpoint. This returns a JSON string containing track URIs. Then we use the Spotify iframe API to preview the track and enable the user to add it to a playlist. Finally, a playlist can be exported using the playlist API. After that, we come to the technology used in our project. So first of all we have Python, second we have Flask, so third we have this Bootstrap, and fourth we have Spotify. After that we have also used JSON and Microsoft Azure App Service, which is basically a full managed cloud platform to generate services. So where to find the project? So basically we have uploaded it on the GitHub and there you can easily access the project. That's it. Thank you.